kids, it's me, Kit, K-I-T, and you're watching Kit Explores. Miles, where are we?
A minute.
He's right, we're at a museum of curiosity, and there's so many things for us to explore and discover. Let's go. Whoa, what should we explore? There's a rainforest exhibit. Should we go in there? Let's go check out the rainforest, come on. Whoa, it's just like a jungle in here. There's a rope bridge, and I even see an airplane up there. Airplanes fly through the sky so high above the ground. Let's go see what we can see. You guys, guess what? I see a marketplace with food. Should we go look at the food? It's over here. Come on, follow me. There's all kind of foods here. Avocados. Can you grab a potato? Do you see the potatoes? Where are the potatoes? Miles got a potato.
Marketplaces are places where all of the fresh food and produce comes for people to shop and find and pick out. It sure is fun shopping for healthy, delicious foods.
Look, there's even oranges here. Should we juggle the oranges? Oh, this is just like a market with food. What kind of foods do we have? Peppers, oranges, there's lemons, and even something that looks like a starfish. This area is full of tasty foods that grow out of the earth, and some of them even grow on trees. Should we go pick some fruit off of a tree? Come here. Can you pick some fruit off of the tree, Miles? I think those green ones are called papayas. Can you put the papayas in the papaya basket? Good job.
Did you know that bananas grow on trees in big bunches? They do, and they're a delicious snack to eat by themselves, or you can mix them into a drink like a smoothie. That sure looks delicious. And we're not the only ones who enjoy bananas. This monkey who lives in the rainforest loves bananas too. You enjoy that banana, little guy. Pretending to be at a market is so much fun. Now, explorers, we're gonna go and explore a giant play structure with Miles.
Let's go through the stairs. Whoa! Come on, explorers. We're climbing up to the rope bridge. I see the rope bridge. Let's go. You go first, and then I'll go. Or I can go and help you. Come on. It's okay, hold my hand. Now jump. Walk across. Woohoo! You're doing it. We're gonna go on another rope bridge.
Did you know that rope bridges are used in remote areas of the world where traditional materials for building bridges can't be used? Often they're in the jungles and they stretch from cliff to cliff. They can be kind of scary.
Are you ready? Let's go. Whoa! We're so high above the ground right now, guys. Is this scary, Miles? It's kind of scary. Ooh. And I'll help you guys up too. All right, Miles, should we go through the rope bridge? Whoa! Come on. Jump. Whoa. Oh. You made it. Miles and I found an airplane crashed in the trees. Can you climb up to it?
Miles is climbing into this airplane to fly it around an imaginary sky. Did you know that the type of airplane that Miles is pretending to fly is called a prop plane? Prop planes use propellers to propel them through the air. Here are some prop planes flying in formation. And here's what Miles would probably see if he looked out the window of a real airplane flying above the Earth. Now come with us, explorers, as we explore the rest of the building with Miles. Come on!
You're doing it! Hey, look, you can slide down them too.
Miles slid down some colorful logs. He explored some green building bricks. He even showed us how strong he was. Whoa!
Whoa, explorers! This was such a fun episode of KITT Explores. We're so glad you guys watched. Remember, parents, you can follow us on Instagram or Twitter at KITT Explores. We'll see you later. Bye!
Bye!
Now let's go down the rope bridge. Another rope bridge! Whoa!